Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to ungroup here in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. In Adobe Express, the process of ungrouping elements isn't as direct as it is in other programs like Illustrator or Photoshop, because Adobe Express focuses on simplicity and ease of use. However, if you're working with group elements like text, images, or icons, or even videos, or any other added information here, you can manage them by selecting individual items and adjusting them. Now, here's how to ungroup any elements here within the Adobe Express platform. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to click the program or the project that you are working with. If you haven't already, just go to the template section wherein you can browse thousands of amazing designs to begin your work. But if you want to upload your own content and start from scratch, just click this button. In my case, I'm going to work with this specific design. All right. You see, the idea is if the elements are grouped together, you would notice that if I click on one of the layers, if you click on the upper right corner, you would see the layer section wherein they are all stacked together. All right, so they act as one single unit. You see, all I have to do to ungroup is click this ungroup option. What will happen is the elements are being collapsed. All right, and if you want to group all of them again together, just click on the group and they will stack in one unit. It's very easy, really. All right. Once you have grouped them together, you can now copy that and go to another page wherein you can create multiple copies of the group elements together. All right. So I'm going to create 4 of them. I'm going to group all of them together right here. And for you to be able to ungroup them, all you have to do is click the ungroup section. All right, especially if you want to adjust each element's size or position. All right, and if you're using text and shapes, you may need to delete and add them separately if they're grouped in a way that doesn't allow direct manipulation. But of course, if you can't ungroup directly, another option is to duplicate the group object, delete one part of the group, and then move or edit the individual components as needed. All right, because Adobe Express again is streamlined for basic graphic design tasks. So ungrouping is typically handled very easily here, and you can also treat them independently within the working editor. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.